Welcome to the HealthyStep Balance Mat maintenance exercises. Exercise 4. Start by placing both of your feet on the home position. Let us begin with the left foot. Left to yellow 2 and hold. Left to blue 11 and hold. Left to yellow 9 and hold. Left to yellow 6 and hold. Left to blue 8 and hold. Left to blue 1 and hold. Left to yellow 8 and hold. Now back to home. Now the right foot. Right to yellow 10 and hold. Right to blue 1 and hold. Right to yellow 3 and hold. Right to yellow 6 and hold. Right to blue 4 and hold. Right to blue 11 and hold. Right to yellow 4 and hold. Now back to home. You have now completed maintenance exercise 4